We will continue to be on the fog watch tonight and probably for the next few nights as high humidity, the saturated ground will allow for the quick development of fog. And it looks like it's a little bit more of a widespread issue on the North Shore right now. Visibilities are down half-mile Slidell, quarter of a mile Bogalusa, 0 reporting in at Hammond, and 3/4 of a mile at Macomb. South of the lake at the moment looks more patchy, but down to a half-mile at Belle Chase. Here in the city, at least as of right now, not a problem. We are under mostly clear skies, and so those temperatures are able to quickly drop to the dew point and see the humidity value near 100%. Looking out toward downtown, we're okay at the moment. Humidity is at 93%, but we are getting close with the temperature and dew point only 2 degrees apart at MSY. As that temperature gets a degree or two cooler, we may start to see the fog developing even in the metro area. Winds southwest, very light at around 6 miles an hour. So our temperatures are almost at the dew points, and with that, you see 100% humidity, or at least near 100% humidity, and that's when the fog becomes a problem, and that could be a problem for the next several nights and mornings. Winds almost non-existent at the moment, so light winds, clear skies. We don't have the dry air in place, but those two ingredients of the clear skies and light winds allow those temperatures to drop, and as they near the dew point, you get the high humidity. Our disturbance that brought in the severe weather yesterday and the heavy rains today, now moving on, so a fairly quiet pattern for the next couple of days. Once we get rid of our morning fog tomorrow, we ought to see plenty of sunshine. Not a bad looking day. High temperatures will be mid-upper 70s and even some low 80s, and that's where we're going to be for the next couple of days. Likely we'll see a little more cloudiness coming in on Thursday, so I think sun to partly cloudy skies tomorrow, Thursday partly to mostly cloudy skies, but at least for the next couple of days, we're dry. Different story as we start into Friday. We'll be watching a frontal system that'll be taking shape. That'll bring in the next round of rainfall on Friday. This model stops at 12:30, so notice mostly dry, maybe a few spotty showers for the start of our Friday. Doesn't look like until later in the day, as the front gets a bit closer, do we start to see more showers activating. Showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening. Models have been keeping a lot of the activity more focused North Shore and into Mississippi. Doesn't mean we wouldn't see anything in the metro area, but maybe more of a focus north of the lake. Those storms begin during the afternoon, so for the evening drive home, may have some of those storms around. Again, this is for Friday. By 8 o'clock, a lot of the rain is already moving to the north and east, and we start drying out. May still have a few lingering showers early Saturday just as the front pushes on through, but most of the day Saturday will be dry and turning cooler and turning less humid. The risk of severe weather, and the Storm Prediction Center has a large area of the Gulf South highlighted. Almost all of the state of Louisiana under likely a level 2 threat, with the exception right along the coastline. As of right now, the metro area would be included in that level 2. And as far as flooding goes, again, we do find ourselves in that higher threat for more widespread street flooding. Now, the models are not in great agreement with the rain totals that we could see. The Euro having been more aggressive. This is the GFS. Most locations half inch or less. The Euro is a little bit more aggressive with some of those rainfall totals, and I'm thinking we're probably going to see some of the totals a little bit more indicative of what the Euro is saying. A few isolated locations certainly could see more rainfall, but definitely with this next round on Friday, more of a severe threat than what we saw yesterday and earlier this morning. Dry for the next couple of days, and those storms roll in mainly during the middle of the day, afternoon, early evening, and then drying out. Few showers early on Saturday, but temperatures will be coming down. It'll be a bit cooler as we head into Sunday, with highs staying in the 60s and less humid. That less humid air starts moving in Saturday, but definitely feeling it on Sunday. Remember, this Saturday night, we have to spring forward 1 hour. That good feel air and more comfortable temperatures continue into early next week.